Hi everyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a trending Halloween photo effect called dual horror reflections surreal gothic flame portrait using Google Gemini's newest AI tool powered by Nano Banana. This effect looks super cinematic, look like a movie poster, and it's perfect for your Halloween post. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or through the app like this, and then just log in with using your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on Create Image to activate the Nano Banana. Or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. This feature is super cool. It lets you generate or edit photo instantly using only a text prompt. No photoshops, no filters, just pure AI magic. Now just upload the photo that you want to transform. Make sure it's a clear portrait with a good lighting because the AI will preserve your face and hair exactly as they are. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next we will write the magic prompt. Before I already made a prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt. You can screenshot it and then just copy it and use it as you like. Just feel free to tweak the prompt as you want. Just match your vibe. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. The AI brings your idea to life. You will see that surreal mirror effect. Two versions of the same person, one normal and one ghostly pale, facing each other under the burning rose light. And the lighting feels straight out of a gothic horror film and with cinematic shadows and insane details on the screen. Just look at this, it's super incredible. And okay, maybe that's it. Your dual horror reflection surreal gothic flame portrait is ready. This effect is perfect for Halloween profile photos or maybe poster or even short horror edits. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.